Hello everyone. In this module, we are going to learn how to sort elements in a NumPy array. So in this following given table, we are going to learn first what is NumPy.sort function. After that, we will discuss various sorting algorithm. Now, what is NumPy.sort function? Basically, in order to sort the various values which are available in the input array, that NumPy provides us with a sorting function, that is NumPy.sort function. So with sort function, we can easily sort the values and arrange them in ascending to descending order respectively. For example, you have a one-dimensional array that contains 5 integer values in random order, and now to sort those given values in ascending order, you have to use the numpy.sort function, and it will take an input array and the output array will return a new array in sorted order. In simple word, we can say that it sorted the input array in ascending order from low to high. So following is the given syntax of numpy.sort function, and within this function we are going to use mainly two parameters. The first one parameter is a, that specifies the input array that we want to operate on it, and the next parameter is axis. This parameter specifies the axis along which the sorting is implemented, and if the axis is equal to none, the sorting occurs in a single row of elements, and by default it takes -1 value. Last parameter is kind. This parameter indicates the sorting algorithm which we want to sort the data, and by default the sorting algorithm is none. Now let us take an example of how to use the numpy sort function in a one-dimensional array. So basically, to sort a one-dimensional array, first we need to create a numpy array by using np.array function and store list of numbers in it. So after creating an array, we are going to use the np.sort function, and it will sort the elements in the ascending order. While in this function we have mentioned the input array as an argument. So after executing this code, the output comes the sorted values. In the next example, we have created a two-dimensional array, and now we have to sort the elements column wise. For this, first we have created an array by using np.array function. So after creating an array, we use the np.sort function, and within this function we have assigned the input array, that is sample numbers, along with the axis parameter, and set the value 0. So after executing this code, it will sort the element column wise. Now if you want to sort the elements row wise, then you must set the axis is equal to 1, and it represents the row order elements. For this, we are going to create a simple two-dimensional array by using np.array function, and within this function we will set the integer values as an argument. So after creating an array, we have used the np.sort function, and within this function we have assigned the input array along with the axis parameter. In this case, we have set the 1 value. So after executing this code, it will sorted row wise element. Now if you want to sort the elements in the descending order, you can easily use the np.sort function, and within this function we have assigned the input array, but in this case we have used the minus negative value in both sides. So after executing this code, as you can see that the array that is random numbers is sorted in descending order, and the values in each arrays are compared with each other and sorted. So in Python there are various sorting algorithms that we are going to use in the NumPy array. Now let us discuss and sorting functions which we are going to use in a NumPy array. The first one is numpy.arg sort. So basically this function is available in the NumPy package module, and it is used to perform sorting on the array values, and it will return the indexes of a sorted array in ascending order. So the input array consists of indices that would sort the array, and again it takes two mainly parameters. The first one is a and the second one is axis, that defines the input array which we want to sort, and the by default axis value is -1. Now we will take an example by using numpy.arg sort function. So in this example, first we imported the numpy library and then created a numpy array by using np.array function, and within this function we assign the random numbers. Then we have passed this array into the np.arg sort function. So basically this function always return an array, and an array consists of indices that would sort the values in the array. So basically this function sorts the values in ascending order. We have to sort the indices values. So as you can see that the first value indices list is 4. That means 11 is the lowest number in the input array. After that it displays the 1 value because 15 is the second lowest value. So our next function is numpy.lex sort function. So basically this function is used to sort the data values in the sequence of keys by columns, and this function takes two input arrays as an argument and it will return an array of integer indices that describes the sort order by multiple columns. So again this function takes two parameters. The first one parameter is keys that specifies the columns of the array, and the axis parameter sort over the last axis. Now let us take an example and understand the working of numpy.lex sort function. So in this example first we have created our first input array by using np.array function, and within this function we have assigned some strings values as a alphabet numbers variable. So after creating a first input array, we have to create a second input array, because in this function we have to pass two input arrays. In the second input array we have mentioned the integer values as an argument. So after creating an array we have used the np.lex sort function, and within this function we have assigned the input arrays as an argument. So after displaying the indices sort values, as you can see that, so we have iterate the values as per the condition. So with this we have completed sorting arrays by using numpy.